Hey, how goes it? So as you saw from the title, the channel's getting a new truck today. Well, actually, my dad's getting a new truck, but he's agreed to let us feature it here on the channel sometimes, and you'll probably see it a lot pulling the square body. So this is going to be my first vlog type video, so it's kind of an experimental one. So you'll have to bear with me because it may not be the best. I may need to practice up on this type of video shooting, but we're going to get started with it right now. Now, like I said, this is going to be an experimental video. I've never really tried the whole vlog type video creation yet. I need to practice up on my camera holding, the whole point of view type of shooting. So, if you do like this type of content, I know that the whole vlog type is popular. I watch a lot of it myself. So if you like this type of thing, let me know in the comments or leave a like on this video so I'll know that you'd like me to do more of this type of thing. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is, my dad has found a truck. He wants a new truck. He's been driving an old clunker for a while, and he's decided he wants something a little more reliable. So we're gonna go take a look at it and, you know, see if it's the one he wants. Alright, so I got my dad here. He thinks he's found the truck he may want. I'm gonna hop in the Costa 300. We'll take a look at it. It's stuck. Get this heat up a little bit. Some of those touchscreen compatible gloves for this thing. Get out of the way, I'm Paul. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a house right up there, made out of shipping containers. Really weird. I gotta go through Mackie V's. I need some chicken nuggets.
Hi, welcome me off. I take your order, please.
$12.16
$12.16 first window. Please pull around.
That dog playing frisbee over there. Finally here. Oh, well, that's a nice looking Camaro. Is that a ZL1? Oh my gosh. I like that color too. Can't believe they got a ZL1 here. So this is the truck he's looking at. 2014 LT 4-wheel drive. I like the Z71 front end better than these, but they still look pretty good. It's at 18. It's pretty clean for a 14.
It all matters on the back seat of what you got.
Is that it? Is that as far as it'll go?
He's got an 8.
Must be as far as it'll go. You don't mind if I get in it?
No.
Get in there and we can't get you out.
It's a sports car.
Think you could stand that?
It's this roof.
Could
My
you-
head is hitting the roof.
Could you stand it?
These things.
That's why you just said something about maybe next year or so.
It wouldn't be much, Ma. It'd just be to go on short trips.
Lay the stretch out, couldn't I? It's kind of dangerous to me.
This is one's only, yeah, right at 6,000 miles. 36. They turbocharge them though. They get about 30 to, they're not top end or oh, you're fine. It's fine. It's that aluminum box rattles in there.
Look at my jacket, I'm freezing on here. Oh my gosh. This ZL1 is awesome.
Some other little things we do.
Kinda dirty, but looks sweet.
Well, how about that blue one here instead of this truck?
Yes, this man.
It's not for sale, but that's too much going.
I don't know. It's a Camaro SS2. And did all the paperwork for the truck. I like that interior. I've been running around here with my sunglasses on. Just realized I had them on over in the truck.
I'll be back.
Alright, finally done. Been there like 2.5 hours. I'm headed home now. Take another look at this ZL1. Oh man, it's beautiful. I gotta go get something to eat. I'm starving. Then I'll give you a walk around. Talk about the details of the truck. Oh, and a nice looking Cadillac. Gosh, this thing's filthy. Go give us a little Taco Bell.
And a quesadilla. Chicken.
You want the chicken, cheese, or
Yo, I can't believe they got Powerade here. Wait, is that Powerade? It's G2. There he is.
Over. You ready? You ready?
Okay, so I have the truck here. Now this is a couple of days later. so it's a little bit dirty. Dad's taking it to work a time or two. He's in construction, so he it gets it a little dirty. So like I said, it's a 2014 Silverado. It's an LT model. So it's not the most high end, but also not the bottom of the line either. It has the 5.3 liter V8. I believe this model, this was the first year that they upgraded the horsepower to I think it's 355 horsepower and like 383 or 385. I don't know, I'll put it up here on the screen. Feet-pound torque. So, it's not too bad. Alright, so it has the tow package. It has, well, I'll show you one. One cool feature I like is these trailer brake controls are boxes built inside the dash here, so that's pretty cool. Like I said, it's a 4-wheel drive. It hasn't been leveled, and I'm gonna try to talk Dad into letting us put a leveling kit in the front end, get that front end up a little bit. It's got the running boards, and the bed cover. That's pretty nice. Dad can put his tools back there or whatever, they won't get wet. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Like I said, he's been driving an old clunker to work, for a long time, but he's decided he'd rather have something a little bit more reliable. The only thing I don't like about it, not crazy about the chrome accents. I'm not real big on chrome. I don't know. I don't really like the shields here at all. I'd rather them just be off. But anyway, yeah, I mean, it's a pretty sharp looking truck. We may try to talk Dad into tinting the windows. Windows need tinted. But yeah, you'll be seeing it a little bit on the channel. Like I said, we'll use it to pull the square body. We're gonna try to talk Dad into letting us do a few little mods to it, maybe feature that on the channel. But if you want to see more of this truck, let me know in the comments, and drop a like on the video. Alright guys, so there was the truck. Like I said, this was kind of an experimental video to get the hang of the whole vlog type content. I know I need to practice up, but if you like this type of thing, like I said, let me know by liking the video and or leave a comment in the comments. And if you're new around here, you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss anything. Remember, the square body's still the center of the channel. We just Dad's gonna let me do a few videos around his truck. I'm gonna see if he'll let us do a few mods to it, but that's all for me, and I'll see you next time.